Okay, so you know you're on top, but tell me this.
We are?
You're number one right now.
Oh my gosh.
You do not pay attention to these scores, do you?
I'm just dancing. I can't count. Jeez. Don't you know that by now?
Listen, this season, it's week 3. People are teary. People are being very emotional. What is going on behind the scenes with all this emotion?
You know what? The emotion, that's what I love about the season. You know, I think that's what we lost a little bit last season with the All-Stars. This season are new celebrities, people who are vulnerable, who are terrified. And that struggle, those tears, the emotion, it's real, man. Like this is not easy. This is nothing about this is easy. It's terrifying. It's shielded by glitz and glam and hair and makeup. But the nitty gritty it's very emotional.
When
it's
all
difficult.
this comes off, we don't want to see.
They're crying in the shower in the corner, going, "Why?" By the way, I'm not kidding.
Tell me something, a habit or a quirk that one of you has that the other one laughs about or notices weekly or says, "Stop it!"
I don't know if we can air it.
Which one?
Which one? I have a lot of little habits I do.
Laughing yoga?
We do a thing called laughing yoga. When things are, getting a little heated in practice, we go, "Stop, laughing yoga." 1. 2. 3. She's still going. She can't stop. And that's laughing yoga.
Before I let you go, so you see what you were capable of, and you
Workout too, it gives you
hear what
abs.
the judges say. Hear what the judges say about you: crisp, tight, precise, incredible movements, ridiculously amazing, queen of the prom. Tell me if you realize you have the potential to go all the way to the final.
Derek?
No, you.
I mean, I don't know. I'm my biggest critic. I think I'm here to work hard and have fun, and you have to take each week by itself, Does that make any sense? Nope.
It does. It makes sense.
I think once you start making it a competition, you take the fun out of it. You can't let the competitiveness rob you of the joy that you'll have just being a part of the show and the relationships that you build with the contestants and the other dancers. It's fun if you let it be.
That wasn't too hard, was it?
Thanks, brother.
Congratulations.